Hello OT learners, and welcome to today's video where I want to show you one of the latest projects that I've been working on. So this is all about product display. Specifically want to display some sneakers and want to have a PowerPoint presentation or a pitch presentation for our potential client. So this is what we have so far. So you can see we have some text describing the sneakers, and then we have one display over here. Now what is really amazing about this PowerPoint presentation is the fact that if I click on this shoe right here, you can see that it beautifully morphs in, or it beautifully animates in, and that is the beauty of this presentation. So if I click on the next shoe, you see that everything is made and you can click on them as you present. So you present or you pitch your idea to your potential clients or customers, and then they get to see these beautiful animation and transitions coming in and out about the sneakers, right? So there's more to this. For instance, if I click on the new arrival over here, it will take me here where I can see that this gives me the description of the sneaker, the price, whether you want to add it to cart or not, the sizes that are available, and then you also get to navigate or toggle between the shoes that we have over here. So for instance, if I click on this, so it will take me to the first sneaker that we have over here. So here I can either select the ones at the bottom over here to move on to those sneakers, look at their prices and then their various sizes, or I can use the back and front arrows over here. So if I click this one, you can see that it moves to the next one. If I click that again, it will move on to the next one, as you can see over here, beautifully done. And then if I click on that again, as you can see, it will go on to the red one. Are you okay? So this is a very beautiful presentation slide, all done in PowerPoint. Okay, as you can see, all of these are individual slides that we have over here. So all of them are slides one by one by one. Okay, so you can see all of them over here, beautifully and nicely displayed over here. Okay, so all this was done in PowerPoint. What you saw earlier, all of them was done in PowerPoint. Nothing was animated in another software. All of it was done in PowerPoint. So if this is something you want to learn, know that OT Lessons or the online tutor platform is the platform for you to learn everything about Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and even Publisher. All lessons on these apps are right here on this channel. So thank you so much for joining, and I'll be seeing you in the next video where I will be making a full tutorial on how to create this amazing slide that is you over here. It's because I need to take my time and do the slides one after the other. I'm sure we'll be getting up to maybe 5 or 6 videos explaining how to do each slide over here, and then I'll combine all into one video for us to also watch. So this is one of the projects that I'm recently working on, and you'll be seeing the tutorial on this very soon on the online tutor platform right here. So if you're new to the channel, why don't you help the channel grow by subscribing and also turning on the notification button. Also share with your friends and colleagues who you think might find this video helpful. So thank you once again, and stay amazing. Bye bye.